Okay, boys and girls, so after watching the two videos about the nickel, which you now know a nickel is 5 cents, now we are going to learn how to count the value of a group of coins. That includes a nickel and also pennies. In this example, just like in the video, the nickel is 5 and then 1 cent for the penny. So you count 5 plus 1 more is 6. So the value of these two coins together is 6 cents. Let's look at another example here. Here's another nickel, and you know that one is worth 5. And each of these pennies is worth 1 cent. So we're going to start counting by 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this group of coins has a value of 9 cents. Let's count on number 2. Starting with a nickel, starting with 5, because you already know a nickel is worth 5 cents. So count from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, a little bit more practice. Look at problem number 3. Starting with a nickel, we count 5, 6, 7. The value here would be 7 cents. So let's try number 4. 5 plus 1 more cent, 6. The value of these coins is 6 cents. And that would be how we would count for the rest of the problems. Number 5 shows a nickel, so we start counting with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The value of this group of coins is 9. Now look over here at number 6. The nickel is way at the bottom on the right-hand side, but we can still start counting with 5 cents for the nickel because it's the one that's worth more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's go on to number 7. Again, even though the nickel is in the bottom, you still count with 5. Start 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, these activities, even though we don't have our workbook or you don't have your workbook, you can practice with coins at your house. Get a group of coins that include nickel and pennies, and you can set it up just like it is here in the picture, and you can count your coins and write them on a piece of paper, even though we don't have our workbooks. So I encourage you to do that. You can pause the video. You can go get some nickels and pennies, set them up, and then count and write the value of each group of coins that you make. And then you can make your own group of coins, and also you can work on that. So this is what we're going to do for our math lesson. Today we learned the value of the nickel is 5 cents. And when you add 1 penny or each cent, you count from 5. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and do the rest for the rest of the problems. The next thing you're going to do on the next assignment is you're going to take a short quiz. It's a quick check just to see if you've learned the value of nickels with pennies.